Alright, yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Ghosted, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to basically how to change your cursor for Windows, not just OSU. So yeah, let's get right into it. You guys are going to need a program called Anti-Tuner 2. Uh, I'll make sure to leave a link down to Mega in the description of the video so you guys can get that if you guys don't trust websites. But once you get it, you want to open it up. As you can see, my cursor is a diamond from Minecraft. Yes, it's kind of weird, I know, but it's cooler than the default white icon, I think. But once you do that, get the program, you want to hit create a new animated cursor, and you guys can leave the title and author name and everything blank. You guys don't really have to worry about that. But what you want to do is, before you do any of this, you need to find an image that you want that'll be good for a cursor. So let's see, my channel is mostly Minecraft, so chances are if you've seen my other stuff then you like Minecraft and everything. So let's get a diamond pick Minecraft. So let's go to images. You want to make sure to find a diamond pick with like a transparent background. There we go, that looks pretty cool. So you want to save image as, save it to wherever you save your pictures. Alright, that's all good. Now you go to edit cursor frames. That's going to be there, don't worry about that. What you want to do is hit import images. And then go to the picture you just saved. So for me, it'll be right here. Get your diamond pick, and it's going to be kind of big. The width is 200 and the height's 200. The cursor itself, mine is 32 by 32, so just hit OK. And when it gives you the option to resize the image to fit the new size, make sure to have that checked if it isn't already, which I'm pretty sure it is by default, but regardless, just make sure it's checked, and hit OK. And it's going to be blinking because the first frame is, it's the transparent one, so it's going to be switching back and forth, which is why you click on this frame and hit delete. Now the reason I didn't delete that frame before I put this one in is because you have to have a frame in here at all times for obvious reasons. So once you have that, this is your cursor. Your cursor is done. Well, almost. You're going to go to cursor properties, and whatever your dimensions are, for example mine's 32 by 32, you want to go down here to the hotspot and half it. So 32 divided by 2, do some simple math. Let's do some simple, not simple, some simple math. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 32 divided by 2 is 16. When the hotspot is basically where on your cursor does it select stuff. So for you, it'll be about the middle of the picture, middle of the pickaxe. It'll select stuff. So you can't use the blue part of the pickaxe to select stuff. You gotta use kind of the middle, not like the dead center, like the little stick, but like just the general middle of the icon itself. So once you have the dimensions and everything set, you can test cursor to see what it looks like, and it looks pretty sweet. So you want to click on test cursor to end it, and then just hit save animated cursor, and I'm going to save it to where I save all my cursors. Let's save it as pickaxe. There we go. Once you do that, you're pretty much done. What you need to do now is set it into place pretty much. So the way to do that, oh by the way guys, I have Call of Duty open. I'm gonna be recording some modded, not modded, but like custom maps. So if you guys want to see that, then make sure to check back with me in a few days. I'll be sure to have some content up. My boy is getting like a blue snowball mic, so that's kind of why I'm just trying to put up a tutorial, not really recording any big major title games right now. But as soon as my buddy gets his mic, he'll feel better about recording, and I'll feel better about recording because he feels better about recording, and I know he's recording and everything's just gonna be good. So yeah, make sure to look forward to that. Anyways, back to the tutorial. What you want to do is go down to your control panel. So hit the Windows key and type in control panel. Once you do that, go to System and Security, Hardware and Sound, Devices and Printers. Now, right under Devices and Printers, you want to click on Mouse, Pointers, and then this is where you can change everything. So the normal select, sorry, the normal select is basically just when you're, like looking around, just making your mouse go around the screen. I'm pretty sure it's like when you click on stuff too, like when you click on stuff, it'll just you know, that's normal select. So just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not gonna go in depth or anything unless you guys want me to in like another video. But just to show you guys that the cursor works and everything, and that you can change it, let's just go ahead and pick our pickaxe, open. Once you have it, it shows it here. Hit apply. Now your cursor should be working. You can use it for the whole screen. As you can see, it works. And see, I'm not using the brown part, but right when it gets to the middle, that's when you know, it registers or shows that my cursor's working. So you know, it works well and everything. I'm gonna change it back to the diamond just because that's what I had it to. But yeah, guys. Also, I'm using Audacity to record my audio. Please let me know how my audio sounds in this video as opposed to my Minecraft Hexed videos, because I have been using just my Turtle Beach mic regular with no with nothing, no added special effects, no nothing. I'm gonna try to make my audio sound pretty good with Audacity. But let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know what you guys think about Call of Duty World at War. I'm gonna be recording some custom maps, like I said, kind of in the middle of the video. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. If you guys want to see me make another in-depth tutorial on the cursors and what looks good and what doesn't, and just how to make everything work and what looks good, what doesn't, you know, like I said, then please make sure to message me on YouTube. You can message me on Skype. Here's my Skype. Where's my username? Where my username at? Here you go, Michael.Wit9. That's my username. If you guys want to hit me up, that would be sweet. Get some one-on-one time. But yeah, guys, peace out. I will see you in the next video.